afternoon to all of you and welcome back to another video. आपको टाइटल देख के पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं। तो हम जा रहे हैं रायगढ़ और आज का स्टे होगा चिपलून में और कल हम वापस से अपना राइड कंटिन्यू करेंगे।
Gowalkot or Gowalkot is located on the southern bank of the Vashishti River. It is one of the historical forts in the Konkan region and among the must-visit tourist places in Chiplun. Spread over 2 acres of land, Gowalkot Fort is surrounded by the river on the 3 sides and a trench on the 4th side. It is said that this fort has been built by a king named Chogule. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj conquered this fort in 1670 and renamed it Gowalkot. However, his son Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj lost the fort to the Siddhis. In 1736, Chimaji Appa, the younger brother of Peshwa Bajirao, killed King Siddhis in the battle and took over the Gowalkot fort. In 1745, Tulaji Angre captured the fort and it remained under his control for a decade. In 1755, the Peshwas once again conquered the fort. The fort was taken over by the British in the year 1818. Today, the fort is in ruins but still worth visiting owing to the beautiful views it offers. There are 2 doorways, one facing towards the north and the other one towards the east. Gowalkot Fort's main entrance is in a state of ruins. but the two basins on the either side of it are in a good condition. Atop the fort, there are few cannons brought from the banks of river Vashishti, remnants of old buildings, a water pond, and a small temple dedicated to the goddess Ridzai. From the top of the fort, one can get a breathtaking view of the river Vashishti and the valley below.